Ay, ngayong araw, mag-adventure tayo. Sasakay tayo sa gondola. Let's go! Ayan. Akyatin natin dyan. Sasakay tayo ng gondola. Ganyan. Then, titingnan natin ng top view nitong natural park. Sasakay tayo dyan. Akyat tayo doon. Diyan tayo akyat. Let's go! Oh, sasakay tayo dyan. Let's go! Do we need to close?
No, they will do that.
Yan,
Hello.
tayo. Dito tayo. Kasama
Guys,
natin si Madam.
Sky Gondola.
Akyat tayo ng bundok.
Sea to Sky
See you
Gondola.
there. Yan, akyat na tayo. Yehey! Yan. Hindi magandang panahon.
Hi, it's raining.
Nice view. Ay naman niya. No.
Should put it here doon. Pwede mo lang dito.
Yan. Makyat na tayo. Yehey! On top the mountain. Ting ting.
Whoa!
Maganda rito. Dalhin mo yung nililigawan mo. Pagdating mo sa taas, girlfriend mo na sa takot!
Whoa! Look at that, how high we are.
Ting ting.
Nice.
Ang ganda. Look at the view. Ito yung top view ng City, Sea and Sky Gondola, Squamish Beach. Yan, bumababa na yan. Look at that.
Look at
Ting,
It's from the back.
ting, ting.
Ay, nako. Kakatakot
Ano
naman.
yan?
Hindi kaya ni Mama to. Look!
Dahil sa vlog.
This is stopping.
Oh, natingga na. Oh, natingga na. Oh, natingga na dyan. Oh,
We're
natingga
gonna
na.
stop here at the middle.
Ayan. Natingga kami dito.
I think
Stop.
it's resting.
No, they are loading. Naglulod sila dyan sa baba. Kaya humihinto.
Yeah.
Ganun talaga. Oh. Look at the view.
It's going up, all the way. That's the way view na.
Yee! I like this. Buti na lang naka-day off si Mrs. May naglibre ng ride.
It's the online dog business.
Yee!
If you know what it is.
Yan. Tumataas, tumataas.
Taas ang tumataas.
Yan, view. Let's enjoy the view.
It's swinging.
I like
Oh
it.
my gosh.
Maganda sana kung mag-i-snow. Balik tayo dito pag winter time.
Yeah,
Titingnan natin
let's
yung snow.
Wow.
Dilata na.
Naku. Ikanak ko tinata. The front. That's
Ganda sana kung
at the top it's fine. But it's
hindi
more
umuulan,
scary
no?
when you come down.
Kita sana dyan. Pero, yan. Dito ka na sa tuktok. Saan ka pa? Oh, yan. Yan ang binayaran mo.
Wow,
oh. Bahala ka lang kung mapigtas kang cable dyan. Yehey! Yan. Kala mo hindi na iihi yung katabi ko? Ihing-ihi na yan sa takot kaya.
My storage is full.
Yehey!
My storage is full na.
Yan na, yung mga, ano dyan, bumababa.
Oh my.
Tayo tumataas.
Now that I'm at the peak of this,
This one.
it need to go.
Yan, bumababa yan. Tayo, maakyat.
Yeah. We're going up.
Yan. Tumataas tayo. Lana, ang kasama natin dito, Unggoy.
Ooh! Well, it's not a little bit scary today because you don't really see around it because it's raining though. But maybe when it's so... Wow, it's still too high!
Yan. Ayan na. Ayan na ang view. Saan? Yung nasa katabi ko. Yan ang view. Oo, yan o. Yan ang view.
Oh my!
Mura lang ang maintenance niyan kahit maganda ang view. Yehey! Enjoy! Oh, ganda. Look at that. Ganda. Pine tree. Pag winter time ito, ang ganda.
No.
Balik tayo pag winter.
Summer?
Winter.
Winter. Okay.
Titingnan natin yung... Ano
Are
dyan.
they not closed during winter like when there's some snow? Maybe not, right?
Yan lang. Oo. May little na. Yeah. Ganda. Ganda, oh. Pwede kaya sa Pilipinas to. Pag manalo tayo loto,
We're gonna make cable car
we'll put up a cable car for free.
for free.
Free ride for
It's
everyone.
from the mountain and everyone.
Basta kayo magdodonate ng tatayuan. Joke.
That's already... Wow, that's the big one.
Yan, Percy Station nito.
Yeah.
Kita ng Percy Station yan. Yun.
There you go. Oh, wow.
Yun, no? Yehey!
Ah, ah.
Huwag kang ganyan.
There you go.
Bababa na tayo.
Okay.
This is the view. Ayan. Sa taas tayo ng bundok nito. Nung makyat tayo sumakay tayo gondola. This is the view.